Before you judge, before you turn away, take a moment to understand teen pregnancy is a complex issue with far-reaching consequences. This is an invitation to learn, to emphasize, and to make a difference. What does a teenager look like?
And I am Mariana Mitch Lopez, and this is my story. It all started with my boyfriend, way back 2015. To them, his danger, power, someone in drugs. But with me, he's different. When it's just the two of us, the wall is built comes down. He loves easier. He'll listen and lets me see the side of him that no one else ever will. The side that is gentle, protective, and real. But I didn't expect that everything would change. One night, one party, and suddenly my whole world wasn't the same anymore. What I thought would be just a laughter, music, and memories, but it turns into something that will stay forever. The time passed by and I didn't realize that after all that party, something will happen. It is a moment, just one night turned into the start of reality. I never imagined for myself. At first, it feels like something that would be forgotten with time, but instead, it became the reason why my whole life shifted. I know I was wrong without realizing that my life would change differently. So in the silence of the school restroom, I took a pregnancy test. My hands were trembling as I waited. Seconds felt like hours, then 2 lines appeared. I didn't even know what it means at first. I felt lost, scared, and confused. My mind filled with questions. What will happen to me now? What about my dreams? My family? At that moment, I felt scared, confused, and alone, not knowing what my future would be. But after all of that, I slowly walked outside, trying to act normal. But inside, I was breaking. Every step felt heavy, carrying a secret I wasn't ready for. I finally said it to my boyfriend. He looked me in my eyes and said, "Don't worry, I'm ready to take responsibility." For a moment, I feel a little hope. Maybe I wouldn't face this alone. What scared me the most wasn't just the future and my boyfriend, but my mother. How could I face her? That I made a big mistake. I keep thinking of her disappointment, her tears, her anger.
Ano niya? Yung paskwela ka ba taong mo siya? Ano ni? Kapamabudlay si Papa dito. Ano man? Ang kukote, di ba ang hambal gamito? Hindi ang ano? Nakakabiga-biga ka, ginapagustuhan ka kay tarong ka man. Ha? Ano ni? Ano nagpabuntis-buntis ka dito? Nagbiga-biga ka na? Nagtuon-tuon ka na? Na may ang pag-ano ni Papa mo dito? Kapangabudlay sa iba niya bansa para ng simo? Ha? Sorry. Oh, ano kayo mo sa sorry mo? Na? Maano ta? Ano na lang mahambal sa Papa mo siniyay? Kapangabudlay siya dito? Kung magpuli ito dire, kag mabalaan niya, anuhan ka? Abi. Hindi!
But behind her pain, I also saw her fear. Fear for my future. Fear of how hard this road would be. I realized that her anger wasn't just about me. It was because she cared, because she knew how heavy this burden was. Looking back, I realize now that teenage pregnancy is more than just a mistake. It's a turning point. It's a fear, confusion, and pain, but also a lessons I never expected to learn this early. But little by little, I saw the truth. My boyfriend wasn't ready. His words were just a promises, and his actions didn't follow.
What's mo da?
That standing in this reality on my own, scared, but stronger than I ever thought I could be. Love without responsibility can lead to pain, and promises are nothing without action. I've learned that being young means I still have dreams to chase, and rushing into things can take them away too soon. Most of all, I learned that mistakes don't define me, but the way I rise to them does. Teenage pregnancy is not easy, but it taught me strength, courage, and the importance of thinking carefully about my future before making choices. Again, I am Mariana Mitch Lopez, and this is my story. The lesson we can all learn from teenage pregnancy is that every choice has a consequence. It teaches us that love is not about just feelings, but also about responsibility and respect for ourselves and others. It reminds us to think before we act, to value education, and to protect the opportunities that will shape our lives. Most of all, teenage pregnancy is a reminder that mistakes can happen, but what truly matters is learning from them, making better choices, and supporting one another to build a bigger future. Teenage pregnancy is not just a personal struggle. It affects families, education, and futures. The lesson is clear. Think before you act, value your dreams, and protect your futures. Let us choose responsibility, self-respect, and awareness, because one choice can change a lifetime.